Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to enable app icon badges for Snapchat Memories notifications. If you've ever missed a memory because you didn't see a notification, this setting will make sure you never overlook those moments again. Let's jump right into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device controls live, and it's the starting point for managing notifications. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as apps and notifications, but the idea is the same. Now find and tap on Snapchat from your list of installed apps. This will open up all the settings specific to Snapchat. Next, tap on notifications. Here you'll see all the different types of notifications Snapchat can send you. After that, tap on notification categories. This section lets you fine-tune exactly which alerts you want to receive and how they behave. Now scroll until you find Memories and tap on it. This is the category responsible for reminding you of past snaps and highlights. Finally, look for the option called App Icon Badges and toggle it on. Once enabled, you'll start seeing a small badge or number on the Snapchat app icon whenever there's a new Memories notification waiting for you.